Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change back Gmail display language to English. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change back Gmail display language to English, go to your Gmail account and look. Now my Gmail display language is Espanol. Now I'm going to change it back to English. Click on gear icon on upper right corner. It's called settings, and you will find the first option. This one is all settings. Click on all settings, and here the first option is language, and this is the change display language in Gmail. Now Espanol is selected. Click on the drop down here, and you will find here English US. This is the default language. Click on English US. Now scroll down, and this one is the save changes. Click on save changes. Now Gmail is reloading. Look, now my Gmail display language has been changed back to English. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.